Let's talk mobile apps. Ever notice that a no can sometimes be better than a yes? That's the case with the Mopar Owner's Companion app, available for your Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, or Fiat vehicle. It's got some pretty awesome no's. And these no's offer you on-the-go convenience and cost savings. First, no guessing. How's this for a handy feature? Your vehicle dashboard with service history, important notifications, how-to videos, and more. You'll love this one. No overspending. Coupons are sent directly to your phone. It's like money in your pocket. Finally, no worries. The app connects you directly to roadside assistance and emergency response if needed. Plus, you can access your auto insurance and input crash details. So say yes to the Mopar Owner's Companion app and start enjoying some great no's. And be sure to head to Mopar.com to access many of these same helpful features online. Mopar, at your service.